Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia T10 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings application, and in here we will scroll all the way down to System. Then we're going to select Reset Options and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring us a list of items that will be removed by this. So the ones that actually matter will be things like music, photos, and the user data, which is data that you typically put on the device yourself and it's unique to the device. Other things like downloaded apps, system app data, and settings and accounts, you don't need to really worry about those because that's everything that you can regain by, for instance, downloading apps again, setting them up, and relogging into your accounts. Anyway, if you want any of this data, like the music, photos, and user data, make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise this will be removed and it cannot be undone. And assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it on here. Once you do so, you can then select Erase All Data once more, which will now begin factory resetting the device. This might take a couple minutes to finish up, so don't worry, this is completely normal, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.